Do you want to successfully complete the WGU D217 Objective Assessment for Accounting Information Systems course? Then you're in the right place. Our website provides a list of questions and answers with an emphasis on preparing for your success in the Accounting Information Systems D217 course. In this video, we will cover questions from data management, revenue cycle, expenditure cycle, payroll and fixed assets, and reporting and analytics. So, let's get started. 1. Which of the following is a problem usually associated with the flat file approach to data management? A. Data redundancy. B. Data accuracy. C. Efficient storage. D. Easy integration. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Data redundancy. Explanation. The flat file approach leads to data redundancy, where the same data is stored in multiple locations, increasing storage costs and the likelihood of inconsistencies. 2. Which problem is characteristically associated with the flat file approach to data management? A. The inability to determine what data is available. B. Easy data, 𝗥𝗲𝗋𝗋𝗀𝗃 data integration. D. Real-time updates. What do you think is the answer? Correct. Answer. A. The inability to determine what data is available. Explanation. In a flat file system, data is often scattered across multiple files, making it difficult to know what data exists or where it is located. 3. A description of the physical arrangement of records in the database is A. Conceptual view. B. User view. C. Internal view. D. Logical view. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Internal view. Explanation. The internal view describes how the data is physically arranged and stored within the database system. 4. Which of the following may provide many distinct views of the database? A. The internal view. B. The user view. C. The conceptual view. D. The transaction view. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. The user view. Explanation. Different users may require different views of the data, and the user view provides this customization. 5. The update anomaly in unnormalized tables. A. Results in data accuracy. B. Occurs because of data redundancy. C. Leads to faster processing. D. Removes duplicate records. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Occurs because of data redundancy. Explanation. In unnormalized tables, redundant data can cause update anomalies, where a change in one location doesn't automatically reflect in others. 6. The deletion anomaly in unnormalized tables. A. May result in the loss of important data. B. Occurs only in normalized databases. C. Does not affect the database. D. Ensures data integrity. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. May result in the loss of important data. Explanation. In an unnormalized table, deleting certain data may unintentionally remove related information that is still needed. 7. Which document triggers the revenue cycle? A. Purchase order. B. Sales invoice. C. Customer. Purchase order. D. Receiving report. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, C. Customer purchase order. Explanation. The customer purchase order triggers the revenue cycle by initiating the process of fulfilling an order. 8. Which department is least likely to be involved in the revenue cycle? A. Accounts payable. B. Sales. C. Shipping. D. Billing. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Accounts payable. Explanation. Accounts payable is involved in the expenditure cycle, managing payments to vendors, not the revenue cycle. 9. The purpose of the sales invoice is to A. Track inventory. B. Bill the customer. C. Generate a purchase order. D. Record shipping details. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, B. Bill the customer. Explanation. The sales invoice is used to bill the customer for products or services sold. 10. Which type of control is considered a compensating control for customer payments? A. Segregation of duties. B. Supervision. C. Physical security. D. Automated verification. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, B. Supervision. Explanation. Supervision is a compensating control when other stronger controls cannot be implemented effectively. 11. Commercial accounting systems have fully integrated modules. The word integrated means that A. Data is manually transferred between modules. B. Transfer of information among modules occurs automatically. C. The system is decentralized. D. Each module is independent. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, B. Transfer of information among modules occurs automatically. Explanation. In integrated systems, data flows automatically between modules, reducing the risk of errors or missed steps. 12. A copy of the purchase order. A. Supplier. B. Customer. C. Shipping department. D. Internal audit team. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Supplier. Explanation. The purchase order is sent to the supplier to confirm what is being ordered, the quantities, and the agreed prices. 13. The departments involved in the purchasing process are purchasing, receiving, inventory control, and A. Accounts payable. B. Accounts receivable. C. Human resources. D. Sales. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Accounts payable. Explanation. Accounts payable completes the purchasing process by authorizing and making payments based on received goods. 14. When a cash disbursement in payment of an accounts payable is recorded, A. The liability account is decreased. B. The liability account is increased. C. The asset account is increased. D. The revenue account is decreased. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. The liability account is decreased. Explanation. Recording a payment reduces the liability account since the obligation to pay has been fulfilled. 15. The greatest risk of misappropriation of funds occurs in A. Sales, B. Accounts payable, C. Accounts receivable, D. Inventory. Do you know the answer? Correct. Answer B. Accounts payable. Explanation. There is a higher risk of misappropriation of funds in accounts payable due to potential fraudulent payments. 16. In a firm with proper segregation of duties, adequate supervision as a compensating control is still necessary in A. Accounts receivable, B. Accounts payable, C. Receiving, D. Shipping. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Receiving. Explanation. Supervision is essential in receiving to ensure goods are accurately recorded before they enter inventory. 17. The fixed asset system records the A. Depreciation of assets, B. Purchase of a new plant, C. Sale of inventory, D. Movement of inventory. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Purchase of a new plant. Explanation. The fixed asset system tracks and records the purchase of long-term assets like plants and equipment. 18. In a technology-enabled payroll system, personnel timekeeping, payroll, and accounts payable connect to which department to pay employees? A. Sales, B. Cash disbursements, C. Human resources, D. Accounts receivable. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Cash disbursements. Explanation. The Cash Disbursements Department processes employee payments after approval from the payroll system. 19. An important reconciliation in the payroll system is A. Comparing bank balances, B. Matching time cards to paychecks, C. Comparing labor distribution summary to disbursement voucher, D. Reviewing overtime reports. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Comparing labor distribution summary to disbursement voucher. Explanation. This reconciliation ensures that the payroll disbursement aligns with labor costs and the related accounting records. 20. Which of the following situations represents an internal control weakness? A. The CFO signing checks, B. Supervisors distributing paychecks, C. The accounting manager reviewing reconciliations, D. Payroll using a separate account for taxes. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Supervisors distributing paychecks. Explanation. Supervisors should not handle payroll distribution as it opens up the opportunity for manipulation or fraud. 21. Which of the following is not a reasonable control for fixed assets? A. Requiring that fully depreciated assets be disposed of immediately. B. Maintaining accurate records of all asset acquisitions. C. Performing periodic physical inventories. D. Implementing authorization procedures for asset purchases. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. requiring that fully depreciated assets be disposed of immediately. Explanation: fully depreciated assets may still have useful life and do not need to be immediately disposed of. 22. What type of data is found in the General Ledger Master File? A. Customer details. B. Vendor transactions. C. Balances for each account in the chart of accounts. D. Shipping information. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Balances for each account in the chart of accounts. Explanation: the General Ledger Master File holds the balances for all accounts included in the chart of accounts. 23. Which report is an output of the Financial Reporting System, FRS? A. Bank reconciliation. B. Comparative balance sheet. C. Inventory forecast. D. Sales receipt. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Comparative balance sheet. Explanation: the Financial Reporting System produces key financial documents like the balance sheet for external reporting. 24. A characteristic of the Management Reporting System, MRS, is A. It generates only external financial statements. B. It focuses on internal decision-making information. C. It tracks only revenue. D. It is identical to the FRS. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. It focuses on internal decision-making information. Explanation: the MRS provides reports that help managers make decisions based on internal performance data. 25. Big data analytics are characterized by A. Volume, velocity, and variety. B. Accuracy, speed, and security. C. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability. D. Clarity, speed, and comprehensiveness. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Volume, velocity, and variety. Explanation: big data analytics is defined by the large volume of data, the high speed, velocity, at which it is processed, and the wide range of types of data, variety. 26. What function does prescriptive analytics serve? A. Analyzes past data. B. Predicts future trends. C. Suggests actions to be taken. D. Organizes historical records. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Suggests actions to be taken. Explanation: prescriptive analytics advises on possible courses of action based on data analysis and predictions. 27. Which item reflects vital information such as quantities and unit prices? A. Purchase order. B. Sales order. C. Shipping invoice. D. Inventory sheet. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Sales order. Explanation: the sales order contains crucial details such as quantities ordered and unit prices. 28. How do inventory control functions adjust inventory at the time of a return? A. By generating a new purchase order. B. Through a manual update to stock records. C. An approved credit memo triggers the system to adjust inventory. D. By ignoring the return until the next audit. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. An approved credit memo triggers the system to adjust inventory. Explanation. When items are returned, the credit memo signals the system to update inventory levels. 29. Which risk is associated with charge accounts within the revenue cycle? A. Overpayment to vendors. B. Cash theft. C. Do you know the answer? Incorrect pricing. D. Clerks allowing purchases to individuals who do not pay their bills. Correct answer. D. Clerks allowing purchases to individuals who do not pay their bills. Explanation. Charge accounts carry the risk of credit being extended to customers who may default on their payments. 30. Which function reflects the expenditure cycle? A. Inventory control. B. Sales order entry. C. Cash receipts. D. Production planning. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Inventory control. Explanation. Inventory control is part of the expenditure cycle, ensuring the organization tracks its purchases and stock levels. Struggling with your WGU exams? We've all been there. Welcome to OAExams.com, your ultimate resource for WGU success. Find over 15,000 plus questions and answers. Join our thriving community of over 10,000 active WGU students and an impressive 100% success rate with our premium exam support. Visit OAExams.com today and take the first step toward guaranteed success. 31. What is the purpose of the blind copy? A. To hide sensitive information. B. To ensure customers' data privacy. C. To force the receiving clerk to count contents and verify items. D. To notify accounts receivable of a payment. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. To force the receiving clerk to count contents and verify items. Explanation. The blind copy ensures the receiving clerk manually verifies the quantity and quality of goods received. 32. Which items reflect fixed assets? A. Inventory items. B. Employee salaries. C. Buildings. D. Accounts payable. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Buildings. Explanation. Fixed assets include long-term investments like buildings and machinery used in business operations. 33. What contributes to the success of the electronic data interchange system? A. Using multiple platforms. B. Implementation of agreements to avoid discrepancies. C. Handling all transactions manually. D. Reducing data. Transmission time. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Implementation of agreements to avoid discrepancies. Explanation. Implementing clear agreements helps avoid misunderstandings or discrepancies in electronic data interchange. 34. What is an example of a payroll system information technology, IT control? A. Time cards. B. Direct deposit. C. Manual wage calculation. D. Paper checks. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Direct deposit. Explanation. Direct deposit is an IT control that automates the payment of wages, reducing the risk of errors or fraud. 35. Which department is responsible for receiving the supplier's invoice, the purchase order, and the receiving report in order to post the acquisition of fixed assets? A. Inventory control. B. Sales. C. Accounts payable. D. Payroll. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Accounts payable. Explanation. Accounts payable manages the supplier's invoice, the purchase order, and the receiving report for posting acquisitions. 36. Which information from time cards provides an audit trail to support financial reporting? A. Employee ID. B. Hours worked by employees on a specific date. C. Payroll deductions. D. Overtime approval forms. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Hours worked by employees on a specific date. Explanation. Time cards track hours worked, which provides critical information for accurate financial reporting and payroll processing. 37. Why are journal vouchers reviewed and approved before entry into the general ledger? GL. A. To prevent duplicate entries. B. To ensure data confidentiality. C. To ensure accuracy, completeness, and authorization. D. To maintain the audit trail. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. To ensure accuracy, completeness, and authorization. Explanation. Journal vouchers are reviewed and approved to ensure that entries are accurate, authorized, and complete before they are recorded in the GL. 38. Why is a management reporting system a control? A. It ensures customer payments. B. It only generates reports for external stakeholders. C. It supports decision-making and helps control business activities. D. It facilitates inventory management. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. It supports decision-making and helps control business activities. Explanation. The management reporting system provides reports that help managers make informed decisions and maintain control over operations. 39. Why is the General Ledger History file used for comparative financial reports? A. It contains transaction receipts. B. It allows for year-to-year comparison of financial data. C. It tracks customer complaints. D. It manages payroll details. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. It allows for year-to-year comparison of financial data. Explanation. The General Ledger History file helps in comparing data across years for financial analysis and reporting purposes. 40. Which comparison serves as a tool for managers by using data from the Budget Master file and from the Responsibility Center file? A. Comparison of employee performance. B. Comparison of budgeted amounts to actual revenue and expense by Responsibility Center. C. Comparison of customer orders. D. Comparison of shipping costs. Do you know the answer? Correct. Answer. B. Comparison of budgeted amounts to actual revenue and expense by Responsibility Center. Explanation. This comparison helps managers assess how well each department is adhering to its budget. 41. Which strategic agreement is made between buyer and seller for electronic data interchange? A. Verbal contract. B. International contract. C. Predefined terms agreed before utilization of the service. D. Random service agreement. Can you guess the answer? Correct. Answer C. Predefined terms agreed before utilization of the service. Explanation. For effective electronic data interchange, both parties must agree on specific terms beforehand. 42. What is a reason for sales returns? A. Late deliveries. B. Invoice errors. C. Employee turnover. D. Misplaced inventory. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Late deliveries. Explanation. Late deliveries often result in sales returns because customers may no longer need the goods by the time they arrive. 43. What is a risk associated with one clerk receiving inventory? A. Faster processing. B. Unauthorized purchases causing excessive inventory. C. Improved customer relations. D. Reduced shipping costs. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Unauthorized purchases causing excessive inventory. Explanation. Without proper checks, a single clerk receiving inventory increases the risk of unauthorized or excessive orders. 44. What is the importance of supervisory control? A. It reduces shipping times. B. It ensures that managers control sales transactions for accuracy. C. It helps prevent fraudulent activities in procurement. D. It creates opportunities for reduced budgets. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. It helps prevent fraudulent activities in procurement. Explanation. Supervisory control is essential for preventing fraud in procurement by ensuring that all purchases are authorized. 45. Which statement best describes the process of reconciliation in the revenue cycle? A. Matching payments to customer invoices. B. Processing payroll. C. Reconciling vendor purchases. D. Verifying bank deposits. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Matching payments to customer invoices. Explanation. In the revenue cycle, reconciliation involves matching customer payments to their respective invoices. 46. Which file is associated with the process of collecting open invoices in the sales process? A. Cash receipts. B. Vendor list. C. Customer ledger. D. Accounts payable. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Cash receipts. Explanation. The cash receipts journal tracks payments made by customers toward open invoices. 47. How does the general ledger system connect with other systems? A. It collects inventory receipts. B. It provides detailed employee records. C. It summarizes transaction cycles that update master accounts. D. It controls procurement approvals. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. It summarizes transaction cycles that update master accounts. Explanation. The general ledger system collects summarized data from various transaction cycles to update the master accounts. 48. What is one example of an internal control procedure used in payroll? A. Requiring manual payroll entries. B. Segregation of duties between payroll and accounts payable. C. Allowing one person to handle payroll and cash disbursements. D. Permitting employees to process their own paychecks. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Segregation of duties between payroll and accounts payable. Explanation: segregating duties between payroll and accounts payable prevents fraud and errors in employee payment processing. 49. What function does the payroll register serve? A. Tracking inventory. B. Recording employee time worked. C. Summarizing gross pay, deductions, and net pay. D. Creating vendor invoices. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Summarizing gross pay, deductions, and net pay. Explanation: the payroll register summarizes gross pay, deductions, and net pay for each employee, facilitating payroll processing. 50. Which system does a company use to track the acquisition of fixed assets? A. Inventory management system. B. Payroll system. C. Fixed asset system. D. Sales system. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Fixed asset system. Explanation: the fixed asset system is responsible for tracking the acquisition, depreciation, and disposal of long-term assets, like buildings and equipment. You've reached the end of our first question set. For the complete exam preparation experience, visit us at OAExams.com, where you'll find thousands more practice questions and comprehensive study guides. Thanks for studying with us today. See you in the next video.